Kevadelaul. See oleks nüüd ainult saade ja seda lugu muidugi võiks teiega kah proovida mängida koos saade meloodia, et sel juhul vaadake akordimärke, look at the chord symbols, noh E flat, B flat slash D. There's a chord A flat and in the bass there's a B flat. Basically this kind of chord. So you have to jump a little. And you can play the triads either 3 voices or like